stronger after the storm. Waking up to water rushing through my bedroom was the most terrifying moment of my life. In one night, the flood took everything, photos, furniture, even the dog's favorite toy, but it couldn't wash away our hope. My neighbors and I, once just familiar faces, became a team, hauling debris and sharing meals cooked over camp stoves. Every nail hammered and wall rebuilt was proof that we were stronger together than any storm that tried to break us. I realized that while disasters can destroy stuff, they also reveal how much we truly have in each other. When the sun finally broke through the clouds, it wasn't just our homes that stood taller, it was our community, too.